Hello and welcome to NDAX. In this video, we'll talk about stop limit orders. So what is a stop limit order? A stop limit order is a combination of stop and limit orders that we've seen in previous videos. It is a conditional trade over a set time frame with a given trigger point and range. For example, say you want to buy one Bitcoin when the stock price reaches 25,000 and you buy it as long as it's trading below 26,000. In this case, you can set a stop limit order that gets triggered when the price reaches 25,000, which is the stop price, and becomes a limit order that will be filled as long as the price does not go up quickly above 26,000, which is the limit price. On the downside, the current price of Bitcoin is 26,000, and you want to lock in some profits with some level of certainty. So you place a sell stop limit at 25,000 with the limit price of 24,000. If the price of Bitcoin drops to 25,000, the order becomes a limit order that will sell at 24,000 or better in this case. If Bitcoin drops to 23,000 fast, there is a chance that the limit order might not sell. But if the price goes down to 23,000, then comes back to 24,000, then it will sell at 24,000. As you can see, if the market swings unexpectedly and drops fast but then recovers, a stop limit order would protect your investment from selling at a low price. But again, if the price drops and never recovers, then a limit order could be costly. Now let's see how to set this up. On the trade window, click Buy, then click Advanced, then choose Stop Limit to set up a stop limit order. Then set how much you want to buy, the trigger price at which to start buying, and the limit at which to keep buying. So the order will fill when the price is in this range. In the case of a sell order, set how much you want to sell and at what price to trigger the limit order. The limit price sets a minimum price for the filling of the order. Therefore, selling will only be active at this range. The time in force setting specifies how the order should be filled when the time comes. So, good till canceled asks to keep buying or selling the wanted amounts until the order is filled completely. Immediate or cancel asks to fill the whole order or any part immediately at the set price and to cancel any unfilled balance. Fill or kill asks to fill the entire order immediately at the set price or cancel it if not enough is available. Finally, click Place Sell Order and confirm your order. In the next video, we'll talk about trailing stop market, so stay tuned.